Hello friends, welcome back to the my video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Windows 10 PC setting guys, and today video title guys how to on aeroplane mode in Windows 10 PC. Friends, you want to on guys aeroplane mode in your Windows 10 PC. So how to on guys aeroplane mode in Windows 10 PC today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So we will talk about one by one and step by step how to turn on aeroplane mode in Windows 10 PC. First of all guys, click on guys start button guys, the left side start button guys, we will click here. Guys, setting guys, we will click here. So once you can see this type of interface, so where is guys aeroplane mode setting. So as you can find guys your aeroplane mode guys in network and internet setting in right side guys. Network internet setting we will click here. So as you can see first guys your Wi-Fi setting, status setting guys, you want to connect Wi-Fi network, you can connect from here. So as you can see VPN guys, you want to on and off, so you can on and off from here. So guys now guys you can see your aeroplane mode setting. So we will click here. As you can see guys aeroplane mode is off. So while we will on, you can see turn this on to stop all wireless communication and when such as a Wi-Fi, voice and Bluetooth. So we will on it. Friends, you can see after which airplane mode icon will show on dashboard. Friends, you can see airplane mode icon will show on dashboard guys. Airplane mode icon. So once you want to use guys your airplane mode, you want to on, so you can on, and friends you can use from here. And guys shortly setting a direct guys you want to on, so guys click on guys start button, setting, and guys search here guys aeroplane mode setting guys. Direct guys you don't know where is aeroplane mode setting, so you can search also guys. As you can see aeroplane mode guys, click here, you can on and you can off from here guys. So I have you understood how to on and off aeroplane mode in Windows 10 PC. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video, bye bye guys.